Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to customize the scroll bar of the web page. Now in this web page you can see the customized scroll bar of the web page, and in this web page you can clearly see the normal scroll bar of the web page. Now this is the thumb of the scroll bar, that is the draggable handle. This is the thumb of the scroll bar, and this is the track area of the scroll bar, and this is the arrow button of the scroll bar. Now in this web page you can see we have changed the color, that is the background color of the track area of the scroll bar, in orange color, and we have also changed the thumb color of the scroll bar to the red color, and we have applied rounded border to this thumb of the scroll bar, and we have changed the border color of the thumb of the scroll bar to green color. We have applied all these features to this scroll bar using CSS properties. Now these are the CSS properties, and we have used these CSS properties to customize the scroll bar. So the first CSS property is WebKit scroll bar, which represent the entire scroll bar. Using this CSS property you can change the width of the scroll bar and other things. And the second is WebKit scroll bar button, and this represent this button. These are the arrow buttons, and you can change the color of these arrow buttons using WebKit scroll bar button CSS property. And the third CSS property is WebKit scroll bar track. This is the track area of the scroll bar, and in this web page we have changed the background color of the track area of the scroll bar using WebKit scroll bar track. The next CSS property is WebKit scroll bar thumb, and this is the thumb, that is draggable thumb of the scroll bar. You can change the color, the border and other things of the thumb of the scroll bar using WebKit scroll bar thumb. So let's start coding to customize the scroll bar of the web page. Now this is the basic structure of the web page. Now you can apply CSS formatting in head section as well as in body section. So we will write the CSS coding in body section. So let's start. WebKit scroll bar Now we have changed the width of the scroll bar to 22 pixel, and we have changed the background color of the WebKit scroll bar track to red color. Now to display the scroll bar in the web page we have to write some paragraphs so that we can scroll the web page content. So firstly we have to write some paragraphs. we are writing these paragraphs so that we can display the scroll bar of the web page. Okay, save this content. Fine. Now we will open this web page in web browser. So let's open it using Google Chrome. Okay, now you can see this is the customized scroll bar. You can see the track area of the scroll bar, and the background color of the track area of the scroll bar changed to red color. Now we will change the background color of the thumb of the scroll bar. Fine. Now here we have written three properties: background color, and the value of background color is green, the border, and the value of border width will be 5 pixel, border type will be solid, and the border color will be yellow, and the border will be rounded border. So let's see the changes, whether they are applied or not. Now here you can see the background color of the thumb changed to green color. We had changed the background color to green color, so it has been applied. Now let's see the border color, border type, and border width and border radius. So here you can see the rounded border of the thumb of the scroll bar, and you can also see the border color of the thumb of the scroll bar changed to yellow color, and you can also see the width of the thumb of the scroll bar is 5 pixel. Now let's change the background color of the thumb of the scroll bar to blue, and the border color to brown. Fine. Now refresh this web page. Okay, now you can see the background color of the thumb of the scroll bar changed to blue color, and the border color of the thumb of scroll bar changed to brown color. Fine.